Alright, tonight we're going to scrap this. This is a LED, like an LED fog light. Wires are pretty thin, but we know there's wire in there, and there's got to be a piece of circuit board in there. And you hear that? That's cast aluminum. See how heavy this is. Pretty, got some weight to it. Little over half a pound. Almost 3/4 of a pound. So if you look carefully in here, you see it better on this one. You can see a Phillips head screw in there. But I don't see any other way to take it apart. These are made pretty waterproof. Give her a squeeze in a vise. Maybe see if I can get this lens out. Oh, not waterproof no more. It's pretty tough plastic. That's not gonna work. Let's try prying over here more. There we go. We're getting it now. I want that piece of aluminum for my bucket. There's got to be a piece of circuit board in there too. And we're in. Ooh, a nice yummy little piece of circuit board. I see some copper. Scrap adds up. People think I'm crazy. That circuit board glued in there, it looks like. Almost looks like it is. Let's see. Cut this wire flush. Maybe I can poke that wire through. That's not going to be big enough. Don't know if I'm going to be getting that circuit board out. Maybe I can get underneath it with this. You can break the board. Try to get underneath it now. There we go. Spin this around. Always get my aluminum. Always get my copper. Can't hide scrap from me. And here I see a little bit of number 2 copper. Some more copper here. Stuff adds up. Worked hard for that little piece of copper. You're damn right I'm going to clip it off. There you go. So look at that, nice piece of nice chunk of cast aluminum for the bucket. A little bit of copper, a little bit of wire, a little bit of circuit board. This is actually going to get called old dirty sheet aluminum. There ain't much circuit board there. So just a little over half pound. Got my cast aluminum. Goes in my cast aluminum bucket. My old dirty sheet aluminum. Goes in the... Do I have a bucket yet? No bucket for old dirty sheet yet. My number 2 insulated and my number 2 copper. So just remember, guys, scrap is everywhere. All you gotta do is find it, sort it, and hoard it. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.